Welcome back. Once again, we are at the infamous, world-renowned first annual Noel Appreciation Car Day Classic Car Show here in Central Queensland. First contender in the Noel Appreciation Car Show is the Subaru Brat from Tamoya. And it's so far so good. I've had this now many years, has done a lot of adventures, a lot of miles. I tell you what, this thing is quick on its feet, and has a bit of a sore foot there, so it's a bit like John Noel. Next contender in the car show is the 1992 Subaru SVX, and this thing has been around. It has definitely seen a thing or two in its day. Been a few places now. I tell you what, it hasn't lost what makes it so great. Bit like John. Third contender today in the Noel Appreciation world-renowned international car show is this Fortis 3 2004 model. And I tell you what, this thing has shown a lot of kindness to animals, a bit like John. Coming in fourth place at the first annualised John Noel Appreciation Memorial Car Show, we have Subaru SVX from 1992-ish, I think. I don't know. But age is just a number. A bit like John Noel. Fifth place this year in the first year of the John Noel Memorial Appreciation Car Show is the GFX, affectionately known as Bad Girl. And this car is fantastic. This car is amazing. This car is red, but more to the point, this car sure knows how to have a good time. This car has never forgotten how to have absolute ton of fun. A bit like John Noel. We have a late entry into the international world-renowned John Noel Appreciation Car Show 2026 is L Series Touring Wagon from the eras of late 80s, possibly 84 or 6. This is it's there, it's small, it's 84. What a good vintage. It's from a good vintage of the pre-EFI. It's from the Carby era, different era back then growing up. Still produced some good ones. A bit like John Noel. Wildcard entry into the first international John Noel car show in memorial of John Noel is 1982 Subaru Hardtop, aka Coupe, aka GLF, aka Beast. And this one's just having a bit of a quiet season. Just taking in the winter and staying snugly and dry and indoors. And still got all your parts somewhere. A bit like John Noel. A little bit of a controversial entry into the John Noel 2026 Authentic Appreciation Car Show is this WRX wagon. I think it is does the year model on there, 97. We're from 1997 now. Getting on in years, getting long in the tooth. But down the back here waiting, knowing that if anything happens to your loved ones, you're always there. Got your back. Fix you all up. Bit like John Noel actually. Late entry into the John Noel 2026 world famous first inaugural International Memorial Celebratory car show is Subaru Brumby 1982. This one. Back from records, LCD screens and G4, was it Casio watches? I don't know, I wasn't around. But John was. And it took him a while to get where he is. He's been through a lot. But it's coming out better than ever. Being patient with yourself. And taking things season by season. And be ready at a moment's notice. You know, a bit like John Noel. Oh, the entry from over the fence we have here. Toyota Land Cruiser Troop Carrier 1989 with the 2H diesel with the turbo. And it's got everything you need. Good at all sorts of different things, this one. Got skills, pays the bills, but more importantly, got a big heart. Definitely a valuable asset. Good to have in your life. Bit like John Noel. Last car I'll show you, entrant to the world famous international, what's it called, Inaugural John Noel Appreciation car show day is Bananarama. Bananarama is a late model Kia, the kind that you can start with a USB. I'll tell you what, it's good. It's always got a smile on its face, you could say. Yeah, a bit. Well, there you go. 50 years of John Noel now. 50 laps of the sun. I've known him a little while. I think about 10 of them, and it's been really, really great. So, what an absolute legend. Hope you're having a great time, and we'll see you shortly when you are coming. Bye.